Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with a really fun Kozmik Nails theme pack. We have 2 dips and then we have a lot of options today from decals, nail wraps, and these awesome vinyl stickers. Here are the vinyl stickers. They are so fun. You can create your own little succulent plant using different colors and elements from those really fun vinyl stickers. And then this is half of a nail wrap. If you do get the theme pack, you would get the actual full size. But this is some of the different nail wraps that Kozmik Nails has to offer in this really unique, beautiful theme pack. You can also get everything individually, or you can get it in like a little bit of a bundle for a discounted price. Overall, really fun, and those other nail wraps are gorgeous. And then the star of the show, in my opinion, is these beautiful dip powders. They fit this theme pack so perfectly. They scream succulent, they scream plants. It's overall a really, really fun theme in my opinion. And you can also get the dip powders individual as well. So if there's different things that you like from the theme pack, you can pick and choose what you want and kind of build up your theme pack. Or if there's just like a decal that you love, you can just purchase that on its own as well. So I really like that Kozmik Nails has to offer that. But I really like the concept of a theme pack because first of all, it's not a subscription, so you're not locked into getting some random theme pack each month. I also like that you get to build it and customize it yourself. So if you are somebody who only likes vinyl stickers, you can customize it just for those vinyl stickers. If you like full coverage nail wraps or decals, you can just pick and choose which is right for you, which I love that so much. Plus, it's a really cute theme. I think the succulent theme is really fun. So we're dipping into this beautiful color right here. It's giving me definitely like succulent leaves or kind of like an aloe. It's really pretty. I love it. Also, it's a thermal change and it changes to like almost a little bit of a slight purple. But I love it so much. It's really pretty and you cannot go wrong with this coverage as well. It's very buildable. With one coat, as you saw before, it almost gave it like a sea glass effect, but we're doing 2 today and I love it. We're also doing the gel method. So in between each coat, I always do cure for a full 30 seconds and then I dust off and then I go in with my second layer. That is how I do my gel method and that method works best for me. 30 seconds seems to be key with my lamps. If you are looking for any nail lamp suggestions, I do have a few listed in that description box below. Now, the star of the show, in my opinion, is this beautiful dip powder. It's a fine, chunky glitter mix, but don't let those chunky glitters fool you because they're very, very thin and they just completely become one with the nail. Now, this color right here, it's giving me all those really awesome like succulent and almost kind of like a lily pad kind of vibe, and I'm totally cool with it. And it's just so pretty. I love the different pops of green in here, and you have some teal depending on which way the light hits it, and then we have like this gorgeous pink in here. Overall, it's so pretty and I just love it so much. Now, when you are doing the gel method, before I go ahead and cure, I like to make sure that everything is laying as flat as possible because what's going to happen is once I cure it, that's how those glitters are going to lay. So I do like to spend a little bit of extra time cleaning up the sidewalls with the precision tool and just gently tapping everything down before I go ahead and cure it because once it's cured, that is how it is going to look when you are using the gel method. And then for that second dip to help reduce bulk, I'm going to go ahead and hand place some more glitters just to keep everything laying really flat, and that will also help reduce any bulk. All right, so let's get into these beautiful powders and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. All right, so here's the mani before we go ahead and add any extra nail art to it. I love it on its own, and I also love it with this really pretty nail wrap here. Now, this nail wrap is everything. It pulls in all the colors of the dip powder. It really enhances that glitter that we used as well. So I just stuck that in room temperature water for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'm using a jelly stamper just to go ahead and place that on there. And then I'm using this flat brush that has a little bit of acetone. Now, the brush is not like super saturated. It's just enough to just gently remove any extra nail wrap that is hanging over that free edge. So again, when you are playing with acetone and nail wraps and decals in general, be really, really careful. Make sure your brush is not too oversaturated, because basically acetone and decals and nail wraps technically do not mix together. It's actually dissolving a little bit of that nail wrap to just give it overall a clean finish. But this is the method that works best for me. I do a lot of decals here on my channel and nail wraps. I love them. I think they're a really easy way to implement different trends or images for a holiday season or special events. I feel like it's a really fun way to incorporate effortless, easy nail art. So that's another reason why I really like nail wraps and decals. But then once it's all straight and everything is cleaned up, I'm doing a layer of gel base. Made sure I capped the free edge and cured for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to finish up the rest of the nails with a layer of gel top coat, and I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. I did the rest of the nails off camera, and I can tell you right now that I love how this mani turned out. It's very simple. I love that solid color. It's a very clean color. And then we have that pops of glitter, and then we have that amazing nail wrap that just pulls in all the colors. And it's something different. We're kind of wrapping up the Thanksgiving manis and we're heading into Christmas. But if you're not into like the whole Christmas thing, this is a really awesome colors and just a fun twist. And especially if you like plants or succulents, this is an awesome, awesome theme pack. This is also great colors to add to your collection. Overall, you cannot go wrong with any elements that you pick from this Kozmik theme pack. And you can find everything that we use in today's video in that description box below. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving holiday season, and I will see you all in the next one.